Supercharge your SEO with Chat GPT. Unleash the AI advantage. In the digital age, the search engine is your front door. Today, we're diving deep into how AI, specifically Chat GPT, can supercharge your SEO game. Hey there, digital explorers. If you're looking to boost your website's visibility, you're in the right place. I'm your host, and today, we'll discover the power of Chat GPT for SEO. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. Chat GPT and its competitors will not take your job, but a digital marketer who uses AI tools might. Marketers employ Chat GPT for SEO in a variety of ways, integrating the technology with more traditional keyword and reporting tools. Our SEO and content marketing teams have created several ways to use Chat GPT for SEO, such as AI keyword analysis and time savings on repetitive tasks. Chat GPT's true strength is its ability to access and organize massive amounts of data quickly. This is a huge benefit for marketers who are sifting through reams of keywords, metrics, and content to create blogs, social messaging, or ad copy. Our team employs these Chat GPT SEO prompts to save time and diversify our work. We use tools like SEMrush to find valuable and relevant keywords, but Chat GPT also plays a role. A simple prompt can yield a lengthy list of related terms. Although this is a start, most SEOs will require more information about these keywords, such as volume or user intent. ChatGPT only sometimes provides a wide range of keyword variations needed to create well-rounded content, so prepare to ask several more questions to get more options. We rely on UTM parameters to track organic, social, paid, and email conversations due to increased privacy restrictions and the slow deprecation of third-party cookies. There are many useful tools for adding UTM codes to links in bulk, but ChatGPT already outperforms them. To use this function, request that ChatGPT add the relevant source, medium, and campaign information to a link. In seconds, it will automatically insert the tags in the correct location in the URL. Imagine having a virtual assistant on site guiding visitors, answering questions, and increasing on-page time. That's a big SEO win. But let's dive deeper. With ChatGPT, you can draft, edit, and even brainstorm content. Ensuring your content is rich and pertinent is essential for higher search rankings. Next, the keyword game. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm potential keywords, refine long-tail keywords, or even identify gaps in your current strategy. It's like having a brainstorming buddy that's awake 24/7. Imagine this. You're attempting to create compelling content that not only captures your audience's attention, but also helps you climb the perilous ladder of search engine rankings. So guess what? ChatGPT is on the scene to save the day. ChatGPT's content is not only good, it's also excellent for SEO. It can assist you in developing high-quality, keyword-rich articles, blog posts, and landing pages that will make Google's algorithm happy. With ChatGPT as your ally, you'll be armed with engaging content that keeps your readers interested and search engines happy. ChatGPT is used to quickly find formulas in Excel, Google Sheets, and tools like Google Tag Manager. Let it know what calculations you require, and it will generate an appropriate formula. You only have to enter the cells. This saves significant time when preparing reports or attempting to measure growth in novel ways. Are you experiencing writer's block? Give ChatGPT a topic or a few keywords and watch the magic happen. Allow ChatGPT to generate creative ideas and outline your content structure for you, providing you with a solid foundation to work from. Do you want to know if your content is hitting the SEO target? ChatGPT can assist in optimizing your content for relevant keywords, recommended meta tags, and add a dash of that secret sauce the search engines crave. Sometimes you have a fantastic piece of content, but it lacks the finishing touches that make it shine. ChatGPT can help by expanding your existing content and adding depth and substance, leaving your readers wanting more. Tired of endlessly proofreading and editing your content? Allow ChatGPT to assist you digitally. It can help you polish your grammar, refine your sentences, and sparkle your content like a diamond. Please be patient, website owners. I can hear your skepticism echoing across the internet. But don't worry, ChatGPT content will not land you in Google's penalty box. So go ahead and incorporate ChatGPT into your SEO content mapping strategy. Accept its capabilities, Have fun with it and watch your website's revenue and business skyrocket. Now that you know how to use Chat GPT for SEO content mapping, it's time to unleash your creativity, captivate your audience, and conquer the digital landscape. My fellow website owners, happy mapping! Chat GPT can be utilized in the keyword research process, but its utility is supplementary rather than primary. Here's a breakdown. Chat GPT can help generate a list of potential keywords based on a topic you provide. This can be useful in the initial stages of content creation when you're seeking diverse ideas. Given a broad term, Chat GPT might suggest longer, more specific keyword phrases that could be relevant for content creation. Beyond keyword suggestions, Chat GPT can help you conceptualize content ideas, indirectly guiding you to relevant and contextually appropriate keywords. Chat GPT can help generate keywords around a topic. This can be particularly useful for FAQ sections or targeting query-based searches. Unlike dedicated SEO tools, Chat GPT doesn't provide search volume, competition data, or other keyword metrics that are crucial for keyword selection. The suggestions from Chat GPT are based on its training data and might not always align with current search trends. Any suggestions from Chat GPT would need to be manually vetted and cross-referenced with actual keyword data. Dedicated SEO tools often provide associated keyword suggestions, related SERP analysis, and more. Chat GPT doesn't have this step. While Chat GPT can assist in the brainstorming phase of keyword research, for comprehensive keyword analysis, it's best to rely on dedicated SEO tools like Google's Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, and others that provide dedicated metrics and insight tailored for SEO. In a world where SEO reigns supreme, utilizing the power of Chat GPT for content mapping can significantly improve the performance of your website. And when it comes to navigating the ever-changing SEO landscape, you need a reliable partner on your side. Sounds promising, right? But let's tackle a common question. How authentic is AI-generated content? Chat GPT is designed to generate human-like text, but also ensure that it aligns with your brand voice and values. It's a tool, and like all tools, its effectiveness lies in how it's used. So there you have it. Elevate your SEO, leverage the AI advantage, and give your brand the digital spotlight it deserves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital insights. Until next time, keep optimizing and innovating.